Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unboxing my Thredup DIY scrap fabric box with y'all. This is my third box. My other two have been so profitable, so I decided to go ahead, open another one. I've already started listing some of this stuff, so whenever I show you some things, I may pop up a screenshot of my listing to give you an idea of what I'm going to be listing it at. Before we dive in and I show you what Thredup sent me, I did want to tell you this video is a collab with two of my favorite YouTube resellers. The first is my friend Tanya. She lives here on the Gulf Coast with me and we do get together often. She's over at Double T's Treasures here on YouTube. Gonna link her channel down below, and we are also collabing with my friend Clarissa over at Thriving Thrifters. If you like Thredup, you know Clarissa. Clarissa probably uploads 4 or 5 Thredup videos a week. I'm gonna leave her video down below too. Make sure you check it out right after mine. Let me show you what came in my box. I'm gonna be honest, as I always am. So let's just dive in. Okay, so this is something that I really debated listing because it is flawed, but it's still wearable. So this is Lovers and Friends, and this is a size small. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is a Revolve brand. And this is just a sheer lace, has some polka dot detail also. It's like, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Free People trapeze dress, if you know what dress I'm talking about. But basically it's a sheer slip dress. But what somebody did on the side of the dress is they put a big slit like up each leg, and the hem, it's just done. I really think they just took scissors to it and they basically just started cutting it. At the end of the day, based on what they sent me in this box, I did list it. I just listed it for a really reasonable price. This next item is super, super cute. I've never sold this brand before, but there were some good comps on this brand. I will show you the tag right here. And I'm probably going to butcher this like I always do. Compagni International Express. And this is a size large. And this is a linen rayon blend striped wrap skirt. It is actually really, really cute. I definitely will list it once I fix it. So basically you have a button right here. And if you can see, it's like really hanging down right here. That's because there's supposed to be a button on the inside of this skirt. So this is, so the inside layer is supposed to hit like another button. Anyway, basically, long story short, I got to sew a button on this. I honestly, I have to do 2 different like sewing projects with this box. This piece and another piece, so I can't really sew, so that will be interesting. Maybe I should film that. This next piece is really cute. I don't have a lot of experience selling this brand. This is Nanette Lepore. This is a size 8, and it's just like a short cap sleeve lace eyelet white dress, and then at the very bottom it's like knee length, and then at the very bottom there's like all these little tassels. So I used the word like hippie, boho, beach. I used a bunch of different keywords in the description and then some in the title. But yeah, based on style, I think this is a really pretty dress. This is a dress that if I saw it like Dollar Day or at my thrift store bag sale where I get things for less than 50 cents, I think I would have bought that. Okay, this one I'm not mad about. I just have to wash it to see if I can get these stains out. It's just Old Navy size large. I've sold Old Navy though with success. It doesn't go for a lot, but it does sell. And I think this is a great dress for the summertime. It's like an off-white, kind of like an ivory dress with a lot of detail. It has a keyhole in the back, and this is probably, I would say, like knee length. Does not have pockets, unfortunately. But yeah, overall cute dress. There are some spots right here, right at the bottom. Just a couple little brown spots. So I'm going to try to wash this and take it out. Okay, this next dress, I couldn't find anything on the actual brand. It's Shali or Shaylee, a tradition. So there's how the tag looks. So it has 2 size tags. It says L here, then it says 2X here. I just included measurements on this, and I'm estimating it's more like a 2X. It's basically a paisley tunic top. It's really pretty. It has a lot of like pink and green in it. So just use some keywords. Great as a cover-up, beach cover-up. I use the word ethnic in it. Okay, so let me show you the best piece in the box. I've never run across this brand, and whenever I originally opened the box, because you guys know I have no patience, and I open these as soon as I get them, I thought, okay, so at first I was like, this is a cute dress, but it's probably like a Marshall's brand or something. I was wrong. This is Massimo Dutti. That's how the tag looks. And this is a size medium, I want to say. Really pretty floral dress. It's white, and it has these orange flowers. It has some blue in there. It cinches at the waist. It kind of has like a drop waist. And it is a lined maxi dress. This is how the skirt looks. And I also have my listing photo. I'm sure I'm also popping up on the screen like a good YouTube reseller. Yeah, this is definitely the best thing in the box. If I see this out at thrift stores, I'm definitely going to probably get it. If this one does well, comps looked great. Comps looked really good, and this is a really pretty dress. I love the colors. So yeah, was really excited about that one. Okay, here's another one that as soon as I looked at it, I was like, this is adorable, but I gotta sew it. So this is another little sewing project. This is Zara. Is this a dress? Okay, I keep forgetting if it's a dress or a romper. So this is like a really like Hawaiian tropical vibe, floral short sleeve dress. It is a wrap dress. However, it is missing the button. There's supposed to be a button right over here in this direction, and it is missing. This is new with tags. You can see it went on clearance. But I think this is something that if I just get the button, that way I can make it a true wrap dress. I think this will do okay. I'm not expecting a lot. Probably will list it for around $25. But yeah, I think that's really cute. Okay, so we finished basically the stuff that I'm interested in listing or already have listed. This next stuff, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know if I'm going to list it. I think I may just send it all back because I don't know if it's worth my time. Let me show you. This first item is unbranded and it does not have a size. It's basically a faux fur, faux leather coat. Maybe I could use, and it has these gold buttons going down. Really cheap, if I'm being honest with you. So, I just don't know. It also has, like, at the bottom, kind of like some suede color blocking, kind of, is that the right word? Color blocking? Has some suede spots at the bottom. I don't know. This is really heavy. This is going to cost a lot for me to ship. So maybe I'll put it on Poshmark, and I don't know. You guys let me know if you would list any of this. Maybe I'll put this in the thumbnail. I got sent a napkin or a table mat or I don't know. I won't be listing that. When I opened my box, this was on top, and I thought there would be like a really cool like retro dress. You know, funky little dress that this belt went along with. But no, it is just a belt, no brand name, nothing. So probably just going to not list that. Here is an H&M. It's just a scarf. I don't know if I want to send this back or if I may just wrap up a bundle. I'm thinking I'm going to keep this and just wrap up a bundle so when someone buys a couple things from me, or just as a free gift. I'll just throw it in as a free gift. I thought about listing this, but I was like, oh, is it worth my time? It's just a Forever 21 size large. It's like a cream elastic waist tulle skirt. Probably goes down to your knees, maybe midi length. I don't see any flaws with it, so never mind. I do see something on the lining in here. Yeah, there's a stain right here on the lining. So, I don't know. This piece, I do sell some Forever 21. You know, I'm not too good to sell Forever 21, but that style just doesn't seem like maybe something that would sell well, so I don't know. Oh yeah, I got a bridesmaid robe. So if any of y'all are going to be a bridesmaid and you want a purple robe, I don't think it came with a belt, no belt. Maybe maybe you can add this belt on. Maybe that's what Thredup was going for. I don't know. Oh, this is just a really basic piece. I mean, I see this all the time at Goodwill. This is by Maggie Sweet. It's a petite, small, yeah, just a purple elastic waist, long skirt, has a little slit here on the side. I don't know. I don't know if I want to take time to list it. Here's a kids item that's unbranded. I usually really like to send stuff to Once Upon a Child. It's tiered, has these little pearls. Anyway, I don't think Once Upon a Child will take this because there's no brand, so I'm probably just going to donate that. And this is the last piece in the box. So, I need to look this up, but I'm pretty sure it's nothing. Sione Couture. What size is this? No size. Okay. So here is the tag, Sione Couture. It's just a red skirt. I'm pretty sure it's nothing. It has a big Made in China tag on the inside, but yeah, you guys, that was my box. So I'll definitely be honest with you, this is probably my least favorite scrap fabric box that was sent to me. I do think I can make my money back, especially with that Massimo Dutti dress. That dress I think will do pretty well, and then I'll make all my money back and some after that sale if it goes for what I'm asking. But overall, nothing great. Usually in these boxes they have sent me something I can list close to $100, and also I just can't list a lot in this box. I think so far I have 4 things listed. You probably saw 4 listings, and then I have to fix 2 other pieces, and I mean, even once I fix them, I'm only expecting maybe $20 for those pieces. So those were my honest reactions from this Thredup DIY scrap fabric box. Let me know what you thought. Mine was, I should have said this at the beginning, mine was from Pennsylvania. And I think these boxes, they're only like $35 or something. I didn't get an invoice for whatever reason in this box. This has happened twice in the past couple weeks where I haven't gotten an inbox in my rescue box. Make sure to go check out Tanya and Clarissa's videos. I will link them down below, and I have heard that they're not bad. So make sure you go check out their videos. You can let us know in the comments whose box was the best. Friendly competition. We love that in the reseller community. And if you are new here and came over from either Clarissa or Tanya's channel, hey, my name's Alicia Murray. I try to put out daily content here on my channel, Murrayed Life, mostly about thrifting, reselling, hauls, unboxings, try-on videos, all that good stuff about fashion. So if that interests you, make sure to subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow for a new fun video. Bye, y'all.